Assalamu alaikum, class 7th. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. As you all know that today is your English assignment. I hope you all will be fully prepared. And it's not a very difficult assignment, it's a very easy assignment and you can do it easily. You have to follow these instructions. You have to do this assignment very honestly on narrow line, loose sheets. शीट्स पर आपने ये असाइनमेंट करनी है एंड ट्राई टू डू इट ऑनेस्टली. ऐसा ना हो कि द बुक इज़ ओपन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू और आप असाइनमेंट कर रहे हैं साथ में. आप पहले याद करें एंड देन ट्राई टू डू द असाइनमेंट ऑन योर ओन. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट योर नेम, क्लास, सब्जेक्ट ऑन टॉप. You have to attempt this assignment with blue fountain pen. And the work should be very neat and please avoid unnecessary cutting. And lastly, you have to submit me your assignment on 17 September 2020. कॉलेज में आके आपने ये मुझे असाइनमेंट देनी है 17 सितंबर को. Question number 1 is all objective. Question number 1, part A, you have to fill in the blanks with appropriate words from the poem How Else Could I? As you know, this poem is Unit 1 in the textbook. Number 1, I saw your light when the dash was rough. I felt you in the dash of the breeze. And as I bow to thee in humility and in dash, in the stillness of the dash. Part B, complete the following sentences using the present perfect tense. ये भी टेक्स्ट बुक में हुआ हुआ है. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस से आपको ये फिल करना है एंड द वर्ब इज गिवन इन द ब्रैकेट. द चिल्ड्रन डैश देयर टॉयज ऑन द फ्लोर. डैश द पुलिस डैश द कल्प्रिट. द माइजर डैश a lot of money. Fariha dash her hair. Part C, write the missing letters to complete the words. These are the words, you have to complete the spellings. There are 5 words. Part D, filling the blanks with suitable transitive verbs. Transitive verbs से आपने ये वाले blanks जो हैं fill करने हैं. Birds dash nests. Shark dash the swimmer. A biker dash the red light. The policeman dash the man. Part E, filling the blanks with a, and, the or some. ये 4 words हैं, इनसे आपने ये blanks fill करनी है. Many years ago, there was dash king in England. He ordered his men to bring dash hot water. Dash king ordered one of the courtiers to stand in dash boiling water. Objective portion का ये last part है. Change these sentences into passive voice. Number 1, they opened the door silently. 2, Sabha wrote an essay. Our friends threw a wonderful party. She bought some eatables. Subhan crossed the road recklessly. Question number 2, write the meanings of the following words. Infinite, compassion, luminous, invisible, hard at work. Part B, make sentences of the following words. Funeral, retrieved, carpentry, ripped open, kept his word. 5 words हैं, ऊपर आपने उनके मीनिंग्स लिखने हैं और 5 words के sentences आपने बनाने हैं. Then you have to answer these questions. How did Robinson Crusoe survive on the island? What did Crusoe have in his pocket? Who was Daniel Defoe? What does cargo mean? What was the role Mr. Hashim played in Ahmed's life? What was written on the note that was inside the box? Why had Ahmed forgotten about Mr. Hashim? How did Robinson Crusoe bring useful things from the wrecked ship to the island? How many people managed to get on the boat and how many of them reached the island? Where did Robinson Crusoe spend his first night on the island? Right, ये 10 questions थे, you have to answer them. और उसके बाद में you have to write a story on the merchant and the boy. And the last question is that you have to write a letter to your father for increase in your pocket money. So this is a very easy assignment. You all have done all these questions. I hope you all have done. We made you do all these questions, and I hope you have noted them down. So good luck for this assignment. Thank you.